Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to whip up fun, custom worksheets for your kids in Canva. Click Create, then enter Worksheet as the name for this. Several options appear. Select the Portrait Style Worksheet to choose a vertically oriented worksheet format. Once you're on the page, you'll see a variety of templates available. Browse through them and choose any template that fits your project to get started. Based on our requirements, I will choose and use the Find the Same Color worksheet to demonstrate the process in this tutorial. The worksheet has loaded, displaying all the elements you need for your work. You can choose to use the default animation or create your own. To make a custom animation, start by selecting the first object you want to animate. Here, I'll select the lemon and position it where I want it to appear. Next, choose another object. I'll select the grapes and place them in a different spot on the canvas. Continue by adding a third object. For this example, I'll use a banana and position it on one side of the frame. Then, select an apple and place it on the opposite side. By arranging these elements in your preferred layout, you can control how each one appears and animates within your project. This process lets you customize the animation sequence and visual arrangement, making your animation unique. Repeat these steps to add more objects and refine your animation as needed. Add the blue color by selecting it from the palette. The idea is to create a worksheet where kids can choose matching colors. To make additional pages for your worksheet, simply duplicate the current page. You can then easily edit the duplicated page to change different elements, such as colors or instructions. This way, you can create several versions, like having children find and select specific colors on each page for engaging practice. Select the same fruit, and in this example, we can arrange it like this. This layout helps illustrate how similar items appear together within the interface or display area. You can create as many worksheets as you need. When you're finished, download your worksheets as a PDF. Students can then open the PDF and complete the activities directly using their Apple Pencil or any compatible stylus on their device. Otherwise, you can always print the file and hand it directly to students. You just learned how to make custom kids worksheets on Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.